So we got those marks on there, which I might make new ones. So basically what we're gonna do is go like this and go like that. There you have it. Man, look at that. Just nice soft sheen. As you can see, I put some tape at the edges because I'm gonna glue this whole thing up and then close it, and all that squeeze out that goes in is gonna go on top of my tape instead of the wood. Save me a ton of cleanup. So it took 2 minutes to do. Well worth the effort. Alright, so we have the table saw set, the height set rather, to where it is just going to take it just right to the edge there, so the blade actually won't protrude in. And then I have it set, I think my marks right here, 3/4 of an inch, so the blade will start there and be an 1/8 inch in. Now this isn't a standard ATB blade, like a combination blade like what everybody is kind of used to. This is a flat tooth grind. So when it cuts in and creates that curve, it's going to be perfectly flat at the top. It won't have that little V, those little wings that you see when you try to groove something out. It'll be totally flat, which these are great for doing like half laps and everything. And I mean, it's kind of become my go-to blade for just about everything. So, wow, that's really not smooth.
Let's do something about it.
Let's do something about that. So, all right, so we have our splines. I trimmed them down with my flush cut saw. That was all done before Nate got here. Nate showed up late today, so the whole rest of the video is just me. So if it's really boring, blame Nate, not the guy that made the boring video. All right. I'm sorry, Nate. And I think we're just going to grab a block plane and do it that way. So. I like that sound.
I don't.
Take a little bit of paste wax, that funky noise that we were hearing. Is that better, Nate?
Some.
Hold on, you have some walnut in your armpit.
Thank you.
I don't know if you can see that very well. Now the reveal. Look at that. That is overall pretty clean. Yep, asthma.
That's the abbreviation.
I don't know what that means.
Seriously?
I know what it means.
Oh gosh.
You know how long I've been creating content?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
Well, since you got here.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I think I'm happy with that. Maybe that's what we should do. Just give me a thumbs up when you're recording.
Just always.
Just. Are we recording? I can't see it.
No.
There we go. Let's try something out. Ooh. That's a good fit. Your problem?
Yep.
Woo! Woo!
That's why you paid me to be here.
Yep.
Wait.
I didn't get you dinner. Got you a spindrift that I'm gonna drink the rest of.
It's gone.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
Maybe I need to grab my own.